In the UK, German markets start on the 1st of November. So as you can see, it's a lot of activity here. In German markets, you'll find food, drinks, and a lot of seasonal stuff. I wish I had that kind of time. Nice meeting you. You take care. It's the Malik channel. Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. You know where I am? I'm in town, Birmingham city centre in the UK, and we're actually making our way to the German markets. I'll tell you a bit about the history about German markets but before that, let's go and head to the German markets. This is a small area here, and as you can see there, lots of fun, lots of lighting, and it seems pretty, buzzing. There are not many people today because it's raining, but that doesn't matter. It's not gonna, I'll try not to stop just because of the rain and keep going. You see that? But anyway, let's go to the German markets. Catch you there. Well, we're on our way to the German markets. We're not too far, so let me show you where they are. See that? That's where we're heading. So let's go. Well, this is the start of the German markets. Look at that. Well, Malik trying to show you the German market in Birmingham city centre in the UK. Well, I just thought I'd give you a bit of history because history is everything. German markets first started in 1434 and on Christmas Eve. So it has actually, from then on, gone a long way. And right now, German markets are held, about 30,000 German markets are held annually. So that's a large number. So this in the UK, German markets start on the 1st of November. So as you can see, it's a lot of activity here. In German markets, you'll find food, drinks, and a lot of seasonal stuff. So as we're going to be going and tell you, well, let you know exactly the stuff they sell. I think that's important. So just follow me. So they will sell stuff like this. This is a dry nuts stall. And as we go further on, we're going to let you know what else the German markets cater for. So just follow me. So let's move on. That's where we're heading. That's the main street. Well, let's head that way. So you'll find stuff like that. So as you see, there is a large variety of items here, and look at this. I think this is entertaining. See that? I'm not sure what it is, but let's have a closer look. Well, look what I found here. Isn't that nice? Hey, remember this alien from the movie Alien? Well, this a lot of ingenuity gone into, you know, making this. Could you see all that creativity here? And look to the feet. Well, anyway, this is pretty good, but still compared to this, looks a bit simple. But anyway, I like the color on that. And you got other colors you'll find here when you come, so you can help yourself. Well, all right, guys, you're on the Malik channel. What can I say? We need to meet people, right? We're out and about. Anything, any video without people, I don't think it's worth making. So here we got our friend. What's your name, sir?
Jason.
Jason. Here you are.
What's your name?
My name is Malik.
Malik, nice to meet you.
From the Malik channel.
Okay.
So basically, we're here to exchange words of love, peace, and you know, we might not meet forever again, but the thing is that, you know, I found a lot of beautiful and unique stuff here, which, you know, I wish I had the time to have a look at all of them and play with all of them. But anyway, life is short. Life is short. So you got stuff here on this side as well. You got stuff here on this side.
This is all made from scrap metal.
And I'm just gonna say, you know, Jason, appreciate. You know, Jason welcomed us, and he was very happy to appear in the movie. And a lot of people are going to see you.
Yes.
So God bless you. You know, I hope it's going to go a long way.
We've got 3 weeks left.
Oh, 3 weeks left. So when does this end?
23rd December.
23rd of December.
Yeah. We'll work 23rd December, then we take everything down on the 9th. Then, so
Yes, that's the only question I had. I know pretty much the rest, but I said I think it starts on the 1st of November, doesn't it?
Yeah, this year.
Yeah. Okay.
Normally the first Thursday in November, but this year they started a bit earlier.
Okay. All right. Hope you. Nice to meet you. Yeah, you take care. Thank you. Bye bye. Right, we're at a different stall right now, meeting a young lady, Signy, and you know what? It takes a lot of work to make anything. Can I just show you what she made? She's a bit camera shy, so let me show you this. Do you see this? So, Signy, how long did it take to make this? 3 days. Wow, you must have a lot of time on your hands. I wish I had that kind of time. So look at this. 3 days it took, but it's a piece of art, a dedication and perseverance, and it looks very inspirational. So what else did you make? Okay.
So the train goes round.
Oh, the train goes round?
Yeah, just give the key from the
Okay.
door. There.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. And just hold it like this, so
Okay.
that it needs to flow. Maybe just keep it here.
Okay. Ah.
Yeah.
I love it.
So did you make that as well?
Yeah.
Wow. You know, you're an expert.
Perfection.
I think.
But I started doing the red one overboard. Yeah.
So that's another masterpiece by this young lady,
I love that.
and the train is basically going around. Well, I like that. You know, I wish I could see every piece and show you, because there's a lot of creativity here, a lot of hard work. Thank you, Signy. Nice to meet you. God bless you. Yeah, thank you for being on the Malik channel. Thank you. Well, I just thought I'd show you here. Look at all this activity, and I think they're making pancakes, large, extra large, and looking so good. And mind you, it does smell pretty nice. Let me show you.
Next, please. Can I? What do you want? We have two Kinder Ones. Yes, pizza. Yeah.
that smells nice. You know, I think they're making those small long biscuits. I'm not sure what they're called, but anyway, that oil is ready there for you, so they can fry them for you freshly. Now have a look at this. Well, come, let's go. Oh. You know what? The fragrance in this soap shop is sensational. It's out of this world, and look. Whoa! I told you, and there's more. There is more. That soap. That soap. Wow. Amazing. I think I'm going to probably buy one from here. So have a look here, and the colors in this shop are just mind-blowing. You know, I think I'm going to ask what this is made of. So this, hello ladies. Sorry about that. Oh, you did.
Same kind of traditional. We call them the naked products.
You call them?
The naked products. Because
Oh,
we
the
don't
naked
use
products.
any plastic containers
Yeah.
or any. Do you want to know how many exact?
Yes.
Have the app.
Why
Let
not?
me show you on the app.
So we're going to be checking how much percentage of chemicals this includes, because the fragrance makes it pretty organic. And
We have the synthetics.
okay. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Okay. So anyway, nice product, and the fragrance here in this shop is just amazing. I like that. Thank you very much for your help. All right. Thank you. I'll just put this way. So let's keep moving. So we got a gentleman here. We just met him, and you know what? He's got this diary, 2025. So 2025, fast approaching. Some bells going on here, and I've yet to be introduced. So let me introduce myself. Your name, sir? Valentine. Valentine. Okay, my name is Malik. How are you? So you run the YouTube channel, and it's called the Malik channel. So I just make documentaries, and it's always a pleasure to meet people like yourself. And so how are you finding your experience today? So how are you finding your experience today? Is it okay? Just about, yeah?
Comme ci, comme ça means comme ci, comme ça means like this.
Comme ci, comme ça, like this.
Comme ça,
Well, for us as well. Comme ci, comme ça. Okay. Yeah. So nice to meet you, yeah? Meet you. So we just thought we'd meet some people here. So nice of him to basically we had a little chat. Life's nice. Meeting people makes me feel good, and I hope you are enjoying the experience so far. Let's go. 2, 1, extra.
This one, mate.
Yes. Okay. We've got some guys here. Get in with this emotion. Yeah. Some jolly people here. You know, that's what we're looking for.
Yeah.
This is my driller. We want to have a good time, so you do you, right?
Yeah.
So what has brought you here? So this is a stall for cookies. So you find all cookies. They got so many colors and flavors on them. And Malik here, I'm basically checking out some mineral stones, and it's a stall dedicated to just mineral stones. And look at all these colorful and fascinating stones we have. Well, it was pretty mind-blowing. I wish I was an archaeologist to give you the full review and full information about all this. And this reminded me of Superman. You know Superman and you know Kryptonite? Well, this is probably the whiter version of Kryptonite, closer. So it's got interesting features, and all these lines basically give us a very natural edge to this stone. And these are salt lamps. I think the most of the salt, as far as I know, comes from a country, Pakistan, and these have a light and a bulb and a cable, and you're ready to go. And at this point, we were pretty hungry, and this is what we ordered. Time to eat. Well, this, as you can see, it's got a lot of those big pieces are soya chunks and some vegetables, and I'm not sure what else is there because obviously we were just hungry. But however, this is a vegetarian meal there. So some doner with mixed with some vegetables and some seasoning. So that's it. Well, it was finally time to have a bit of sit down, and this water feature, a pretty grand one, looked amazing. Very tranquil, peaceful, and a relaxed setting there. And there was nearby a band playing, celebrating the festival of Christmas, and also the German markets, the presence alongside added a good epic vibe. This gentleman seemed to be in the mood and dancing on his own, but keeping to himself, enjoying the buzz and the atmosphere. And decorations everywhere. You can have a closer look there. And finally, I leave to you some sparkling moments with this Ferris wheel and some of the attractions. I hope you liked today's video. Keep me posted. If you think I have worked out on it, you're quite welcome to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Only if you feel that is fair. That is your choice. Anyway, Malik is going to be meeting you, God willing, on another adventure, wherever travel takes me. See you soon.